G'day folks, Laura here, and today I'm going to be doing a wandering straight pour. So I'm going to be using a mix of bluey kind of green colours, starting with Pebeo's iridescent blue black, Jo Sonja's ultramarine blue deep, blue violet, Pebeo's iridescent blue green, and then Jo Sonja's phthalo green, celadon, jade, unbleached titanium and pearl white in a combination. So because I've got two Pebeo paints, I am going to reduce their viscosity a little bit by adding some water to the mix. So I'm going to be using my normal pouring medium, and I'll link to a video on how to make this one. And I've got a fairly large canvas today, so I'm going to be filling these up quite high. Just going to add a little tiny bit of water to these two Pebeo paints. So that they're the same consistency as the Jo Sonja paints. So I've already prepared my canvas. This is the back of my canvas. I've put painter's tape on as well as these giant push pins. And I'm ready to layer my cup now, and I'm going to actually use layers of cell activator. I've got a link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. And I am going to layer cell activator between some of these layers, even for the wandering straight pour. You'll see that I've changed the order of the paints, so I'm interspersing the very pale greeny colours with the darker blues, and I've found in the past that layering it this way gives a little bit more contrast and a little bit more interest. Okay, so here's my cup, and I'm ready to do the straight pour now. But this time it's going to be a wandering straight pour, which means I don't necessarily have to stay in one location. I can move the cup around and create different patterns. So I'm just going to start in the center and work out. I don't want to waste any of that paint, so I'm just going to pull it out of the cup here. I am losing some paint over the edge, so going to start stretching. Just adding this excess paint to the edge so that it helps the other paint slide. Wowee, this is a very complicated piece. I've got a lot going on with the cell activator in these various sections. Very interesting. I'm going to take you in with the camera for a bit of a closer look.